I am ready whenever you guys get set.
You go. Step the counter, stick your full name for the judge. All the way.
Vita Lavon Guerra.
I think you want to confirm your address. The state is alleging one charge against you, and it's an aggravated assault filed under the domestic violence statute. It is a felony allegation that you have a right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I've scheduled you for a preliminary hearing on the 21st of May at 4:00 p.m. The preliminary hearing is to determine if there's probable cause to charge you with that felony allegation. If probable cause is found, your case will bind over to the Gila County Superior Court, and they'll take disposition of the case. If probable cause is not found, that charge could reduce or be dismissed. There's also a possibility that the case may go in front of a grand jury prior to that date, so if you're out of custody, then you're to call one business day before that court date to see if it's still proceeding. Do you understand?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Your release conditions are as follows. Obey all orders of the court. Do not commit any crimes. Notify the court immediately if your address changes. Do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court. Do not contact the alleged victims in any manner. Are they with your grandparents right now?
They're with my parents, sir. Yes.
Okay, so with your parents, but the children's grandparents?
Yes.
Okay, they're to remain like that until there's other orders that supersede, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm placing a $2,000 bond hold on you, so you remain in custody. Additionally, there's a probation hold, so even if you released on that bond, you'd still be held with a no bond on the probation hold, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
But since there's a bond, you have the right to a court-appointed attorney if you cannot afford to hire one. So I'll send you a financial questionnaire that if you wish to exercise your right for a court-appointed attorney, to complete that financial questionnaire, and if you qualify for one, then one will be assigned to your case. Also, since you're held on bond regarding that felony allegation, the prosecutor has 48 hours from the date and time of this hearing to file a formal complaint against you. If they fail to file a formal complaint within that 48-hour period, you'll be released on your own recognizance regarding that charge. Now, you may or may not still have the probation hold, but that charge could be released. You may not have to post bond, okay?
Okay.
If there is a complaint that's filed and you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, if you wish to try to get one, then your attorney will be notified at that point that you're in custody, your bond amount, and the charge that is holding you in custody. Do you have any questions about that information?
No, Your Honor.
All right, that's all I have for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. French, I'll send it to you here shortly.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You bet. Bye.